We know that right now the world is ever changing, it's complex. Kids need a very different experience. They need deep learning. They need to be actually getting that strong core academic, but also at the same time developing 21st century skills. It's based around design thinking. So while design thinking is the framework that you're teaching us and you're working through with us, we're not taking really specific problems in schools and saying this is how you fix that problem. What you're saying is here is a process for designing and innovating and creating something better for your kids. And I think training within that, it's very different than other trainings that you have, but it's also long lasting because it can be implemented in all kinds of different areas. First initially engaged with School Retool as a principal in that first cohort here in Oregon, and already took that back, and we used that not only as a way to make change within the building and to innovate as a school, but then we also started to send teachers to breakers training and engage them in using design thinking in some of our units within a high school setting, and saw some great things happening there.